video, we are gonna see the Boeing 777 Dreamliner. This aircraft is designed for long travels. For example, you can take off at London and you can land it on Sydney without refueling the aircraft. So the Boeing 777 is commonly known as 777, so they do not say the word for, and it's an always a long range wide body airliner, so which is developed by the Boeing company as always, and it is the largest twin jet, and the Boeing 777 designed to bridge the aircraft. For example, what is Dreamliner? So Dreamliners have more specifications. For example, you will also have more legroom, more long cabins, and the crew of it's maybe larger than the normal. So it can accommodate a 10 breathing scaling capabilities of 301 to 368 passengers. So the average version is Boeing 787. It's a pretty bit longer. So as I actually put in the last video, the Boeing 787 MAX 8 crash. So, but MAX 5 was launched again with many more specifications. So it can take off at 545 to 660 pounds, which is actually about 247 to 299 US tons. So it has produced a fuselage. It's initially of -200, which is followed by the extend range 777-200ER. So as always, I'll see you next time.